স্নায়ু শিক্ষার্থীরা ভিডিওটিতে থাকছে কম্পোজিশন অন ফিজিক্যাল এক্সারসাইজ অর্থাৎ শারীরিক ব্যায়াম সম্পর্কিত কম্পোজিশন বা রচনা। প্রশ্ন যেভাবে থাকতে পারে, রাইট এ কম্পোজিশন অন ফিজিক্যাল এক্সারসাইজ ইন 250 ওয়ার্ডস। ফিজিক্যাল এক্সারসাইজ অর্থাৎ শারীরিক ব্যায়াম। ইন্ট্রোডাকশন, ভূমিকা। Physical exercise means the regular movement of our body to keep it fit and healthy. It includes activities like walking, running, playing games, and doing yoga. Physical exercise is very important for a healthy life. Importance of physical exercise. Physical exercise keeps our body strong and active. It helps us to build muscles and improve blood circulation. It also increases our energy and help us work better. Mental benefits. Exercise is not only good for the body but also for the mind. It reduces stress, tension and anxiety. It helps us feel fresh and happy. Students can concentrate better on their studies if they exercise regularly. Types of exercise. There are many types of physical exercise. Some common types are walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, and playing games like football and cricket. Yoga and freehand exercise are also very useful. Daily routine. We should make exercise a part of our daily routine. Morning is the best time for exercise because the air is fresh and clean. Even 20 to 30 minutes of exercise daily is enough to stay fit. Role for students. Students need physical exercise very much. It helps them stay active and improve their learning ability. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Precaution. We should not do exercise excessively. It is important to do it properly and regularly. We should also wear easy and comfortable clothes and drink enough water. সবশেষে conclusion. In conclusion, physical exercise is essential for a happy and healthy life. Everyone should practice it daily to live a better life. যে কোনো বিষয় সম্পর্কে সহজে কম্পোজিশন পেতে অবশ্যই কমেন্ট বক্সে তা লিখে জানাতে হবে। ভিডিওটি সম্পূর্ণ দেখার জন্য ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে বিদায় নিচ্ছি। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।